Welcome to AimBetter Academy. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain the Performance tab Operational System Elements subtabs. The Performance tab is the second tab in the main menu. The Performance tab displays many details about the server's environment. Each subtab relates to one of the elements of the server's environment. The subtabs Host, Network, Disk, CPU, and Paging are related to the operational system layer of the server. Clicking on any of these subtabs, you will get a detailed view of this element through various parameters. To add or hide parameters, click on the tuning icon on the upper right side beside the numbers of rows. Click on Apply, and your choice will be saved for the next time you enter the AimBetter system. Some parameters have a pin icon, which you can click to pin or unpin the column in the sub-tab view. You can sort the column's values by clicking on the sort icon and selecting ascending or descending. For parameters with a graphical view, you may click on the graph. A bigger graph will be displayed for a specific time period. This time period can be changed. Go to the calendar on the right side, choose the period, the endpoint time, and click on Apply. You can click on the other graphs, and they will be displayed for the selected time period. Add other graphs by clicking on Add Graph. All the graphs will be displayed for the same time period. Hovering the mouse over the graphs, you can see the metrics for each specific time in all the graphs at once. You may compare two different time periods. Go to the calendar, activate the Compare option, and choose the endpoint times for comparison. Thank you for watching. We hope you've got all the information you were looking for. And we're glad we got to show you how to use this aspect of AimBetter's platform. Please check out our YouTube channel or website, aimbetter.com, for more information.